fogging up. Welcome back, guys. I'm going on a little ride in this stupid ass weather. I need to go pick up my registration. Whenever I was getting my bike worked on, whenever I was getting this quick shifter installed, he took it out to mount the module in the tail of my bike, and he took out my registration and stuff, and I forgot it there, so I need to go get that. I freaking layered up. I have like at least 5 layers of clothes on. We're going over to Tristan's house right now. We're gonna meet up. He's gonna ride along with us. We're gonna take it easy. Just cause my fairings still aren't in. Who knows, by the time this video is uploaded, my fairings might be in. We'll see. Alrighty, and we're off. Time to go pick up my paperwork for my bike. We're gonna take the long way. Oh, look at that! That boy is enjoying his life. You know, now that I'm layered up, it's really not that cold, but I should have checked my tire pressure before this shit, dude. I think I'm realizing how loud my bike is. All this time, I was like, man, my bike doesn't sound that loud. Well, I'm cruising at like 7,000 RPMs right now, and I can just hear the droning in my ears. I have that SpongeBob song stuck in my head. It goes like la 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 la, and then like all the other fucking like the seashells and shit pop up. Yeah, I'm trying to get some content in. I really haven't been riding much recently. I had no motivation. I just want my fairings to be fixed. I know I said this in the last video, but I just want them fixed, man. I forgot how different this bike feels whenever it's this cold outside compared to the heat. Yeah, my front end feels heavy right now. I could hear Tristan from behind me. Hey! Go left. That car, man. Yeah, so an update on my leather jacket. I did end up getting a leather jacket. I mentioned in one of my meat videos that we went to go look at them. I did buy one. I'm a skinny ass dude and a short ass dude, so I got the smallest size possible, and that hose still didn't fit. It fit enough to where I could get it tailored, so that's where it's at right now. We took it to a tailor, and she is currently tailoring it for us, so it should be done soon, probably by this weekend. I'm actually really excited for it. I'd be interested in we've been wanting a leather jacket for a while now, and we finally got them. I think leather is the way to go now, though. Leathers are definitely a must now that we have been hitting the back roads more. That song is still stuck in my head, bro. Why are we like this, bro? We are a nuisance. We are a nuisance to society. Ba 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 ba. Dog, I need to get this song out of my head. Tristan said he's cold and he's freezing, but it's not that bad for me, but that's also because I have a fuckload of layers on, and Tristan probably only has a long sleeve, a short sleeve, and then that hoodie that he's wearing. Oh, my shifts feel smoother in the cold for some reason. Yerk. Oh shit. Yerk. That felt weird. Why are we like this, bro? You know, what I had for dinner is really making my breath smell right now. I just smell sausage. La, 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 la. My helmet's sitting different right now. It's all pressed up against my face right now. You know, it's probably always been like this, but since it's cold, I can actually feel it. I keep seeing his shadow right here, and like at certain angles, it looks like he's hauling ass next to me, like catching up, coming to pass me, and then I turn around and he's like just matching my speed, so he keeps sucking me out. Not gonna lie though, our shadows, especially me, I have a hoodie on under my jacket, and I look like a track rider. I'm just kidding, no. I look pretty good though. We pissed them off. Bro. No face, no case. That's the sign. That's the definition of it. Oh, Lord.
I never get the good shit on video.
Oh. That was priceless. Woo! Hey. Oh, Plaza One. That place looks good. Fly. close to the shop to pick up my registration and stuff. I don't know how long we're gonna be there, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my outro here, just in case it's too dark once we leave. If you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe, show the support. I greatly appreciate everyone that has found me and supported me since my journey. But until then, I will catch you on the next vlog. Hopefully I'll have everything put together and set in stone, and then we start fresh. But other than that, y'all take care, be safe, ride your ride, guys.